In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Ctrader. If you've ever drawn a trend line a little off, moved an object by accident, or cluttered your chart with quick annotations, knowing how to quickly undo can save you time and keep your analysis clean. First, open Ctrader and log in. Use whichever version you normally work with, desktop or web, and sign in so you can access your workspaces, watch lists, and chart layouts. Once you're in, you'll land on your trading environment where all your tools and charts live. Next, open any chart you want to work on. You can pick any symbol, forex, indices, commodities, whatever you're analyzing. The key is to have a chart visible so you can interact with your drawing tools. If you tend to keep several panels open at once, make sure the chart you want is front and center so your actions apply to the right place. Now here's the heart of it. To undo any drawing change on your chart, press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. This works for chart drawings and annotations, things like trend lines, horizontal lines, channels, shapes, arrows, text, and similar tools. It will reverse the most recent change you made, whether that was placing a new object, moving one, resizing it, or editing its properties. If you need to step back further, you can press Ctrl+Z multiple times to walk back through your recent drawing actions in the order you made them. If Ctrl+Z doesn't seem to work, there's a simple fix. Click the chart first. Sometimes your last click might have been on another part of the platform, like the watch list, the trade panel, or a settings window. And the keyboard shortcut won't be sent to the chart. A single click anywhere inside the chart area gives it focus, and then Ctrl+Z will apply to your drawings there. A quick note so you know what to expect. This undo is for chart drawings and layout edits, not for trade execution. It won't cancel or reverse filled orders or positions. Think of it as your safety net for visual analysis, helping you keep the chart tidy and accurate while you experiment. That's all there is to it. Log into Ctrader, open a chart, use Ctrl+Z to undo drawing changes, and if it doesn't respond, just click the chart to bring it into focus. With that, you can work faster and keep your technical analysis sharp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.